door we're installing today is from chickendoors.com. It has a photo sensor eye that detects light. It will automatically open the door at daylight. It will automatically close the door at dark. We purchased this automatic chicken door opener. A link to that is www.chickendoors.com. This door, battery, solar panel, all came in one package in this box. Today we're going to install this door for you, let you see how easy it is to install. First of all, you have to open the door in order to install the door. So we are going to plug the battery in. It should open the door enough to install it. It has to do its little thing. Alright, I unplugged it when I got out 90 degrees. Alright, now we're going to install this on my newly made chicken tractor. Okay, now let's install the door. I've already got my holes pre-drilled. Make things a little bit faster. Put 2 screws in the bottom. We'll put some little bolts at the top. Alright, how simple was that? The door is installed. Alright, now that we've got our door installed, here are a few things that you should know. This right here is the control box for the door. Here's the line hanging out of the control box that goes to your photo sensor to let you know when the sun comes up or down. This determines when the door is going to be open. This wire hooks directly to your battery to operate the power for the door. Alright, we're going to close the door, so we're going to hook touch the terminals to these lines so the door will shut. This magnet is for opening and closing the door should you want it open at different times. It touches the red circle. It automatically shuts or opens the door. Okay, now let's install the battery. Okay. All right. I've designed my tractor. My battery is going to go in this location right here. and I've just got some wires looped around to keep it in place. My cables, I'm just going to tuck them right up here, out of the way. All right. This is a solar panel. It comes with its own cable ends. This recharges the battery automatically. I don't have to recharge the battery myself. And I'm going to position this solar panel right here, close by. And like I said, it can be in the weather. You don't have to worry about it rain or hail or anything. If it breaks from hail or so, you'll just have to get a new one. I'm going to tuck these wires right back in here. And I'm going to tie them in so they don't fall out. Notice this photo eye. I drilled a hole here in the tin to keep it stationary. We're going to tuck it around, slide it right up in here so it stays pretty solid. We're going to let that photo eye just kind of point up in the sky right there. That'll let the control panel know when the sun comes up and when it goes down. All right, now we'll just connect these terminals. Notice this came with a double blade. I can plug this into the battery, and then I can also plug the door into this at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. Red to red, black to black. Clip these now. Put the blades into this battery. All right, now we've got our wires plugged in. Everything is kind of tucked away, tied off, shouldn't fall out. I'm going to put a couple of little straps on this wire to hold it tight, and things should be ready to go. Sensor down so it doesn't get tore up. Okay, it's pretty good.